Our first stop, the realm of bacteria. These microscopic powerhouses are single-celled prokaryotes, lacking a nucleus but packed with potential. Their DNA floats freely within the cell, and their rigid cell wall provides structure and protection. Bacteria reproduce mainly through binary fission, splitting one cell into two identical daughters. This simple yet effective method allows for rapid population growth. But bacteria aren't just multiplying. They are vital decomposers in our ecosystems, breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients. They help plants by fixing atmospheric nitrogen into a usable form. But it's not all rosy. Bacteria can also be disease-causing pathogens, responsible for ailments like food poisoning and strep throat. Next up, the enigmatic viruses. Viruses are microscopic agents carrying genetic material, either DNA or RNA, wrapped up in a protein coat. Some even sport a lipid envelope, a stolen piece of the host cell's membrane. Viruses have a unique, almost predatory life cycle. They attach to host cells, penetrate the cell membrane, replicate their genetic material, assemble new viral particles, and then burst out, ready to invade more cells. Viruses can influence entire ecosystems by infecting and impacting populations of various organisms, from bacteria to humans. They are also notorious for causing diseases in humans, such as the common cold, influenza, and more severe illnesses like HIV/AIDS and COVID-19. We then traverse to the kingdom of fungi, eukaryotic organisms with complex cellular structures. They can exist as multicellular filaments or single-celled yeasts. Fungi reproduce by producing spores, which are dispersed and germinate into new colonies under favorable conditions. As decomposers, fungi play a critical role in nutrient cycling in ecosystems. They form beneficial relationships with plants, aiding in nutrient uptake. But fungi can also cause disease in humans, ranging from superficial infections like athlete's foot to more serious systemic infections. Finally, we venture into the diverse world of protists. These eukaryotic microorganisms display a wide range of structures, from unicellular amoebas to multicellular algae. The life cycles of protists are as diverse as their forms. They play various roles in ecosystems, contributing to nutrient cycling, forming symbiotic relationships, and sometimes causing disease. And so, our journey through the microscopic world ends. It's a world unseen but not unimportant. A world of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protists, each playing a vital role in the grand tapestry of life. These microorganisms, though tiny, have a massive impact, shaping ecosystems, influencing health, and even driving disease. So, the next time you consider the world around you, remember to think small. Because in the realm of the microscopic, size does not determine significance.